Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn off a fridge door alarm. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional, simplistic video. As you can see right here, I have the fridge in my basement and I've opened up the doors to sort of expose the inner workings of the fridge. And most of the time, now obviously your fridge might be different, but most of the time, if your fridge has a door alarm and you want to have the ability to turn, and you have the ability to turn it on and off, it's most likely going to be when you open the fridge and you look at the top, okay? This is where your controls are usually going to be somewhere along here. Sometimes they're on the inside of the door, but most of the time they're up here because the manufacturers of the fridge know that it's not something you need to access all the time. It's like once in a while you would change this setting, okay? So essentially, you're looking on the top and you want to find one that says door alarm. You're going to find a button that says, like something that you can press that says door alarm or door chime or chime, anything like that, or alarm, anything that would let you know that it's a door alarm. So right here, as you can see, it says door alarm. And to turn it on and off, I'm just going to press it. Now that the light has been turned on right there, the door alarm will go off when the fridge stays open for, you know, a certain number, a certain time length, a certain length of time. And if you want to turn it off, you just simply press it again. The light is now off, and therefore the door alarm is off. And it's literally that simple. That is how to turn on and off the fridge door alarm. So easy to do. Just wanted to share with you in this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.